Do you want to customize the fingerprint unlock animation on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Your phone lets you show or hide the animation that appears when you unlock it with your fingerprint. Let me show you how. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Screen Lock and Biometric. Enter your screen lock. Under the biometric section, find fingerprint. Here, enable or disable show animation when unlocking. For this example, let's turn it on. Now, lock the phone. Then unlock it using your fingerprint. As you can see, the ripple effect appears around the fingerprint scanner area when your fingerprint is recognized. Now, let's go back and turn the feature off. Lock the phone again and unlock it with your fingerprint. This time, the phone unlocks normally but without the ripple animation. Keep in mind that this setting only affects the visual effect. It doesn't change how the fingerprint sensor works or how quickly your phone unlocks. And that's how you show or hide the fingerprint unlock animation on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.